Yeah, if y'all want to see it in HD. That is you join out here. Yeah, Walmart security got a 5.3. Okay. I see he's spinning them wheels over y'all. Look out. Let me see what we working with. Kind of a street tire. Okay. Hey, look out! Got my people in the stands with my shirt on, trying to make me feel good. It's working. It's working. I ain't working, y'all. I ain't heard no stutter. I ain't heard no stutter or nothing. It went on, did its thing. I got an alright combination, y'all. Let me see what he finna do. Look out. You ready? Okay, he ready, y'all. Look out. He having fun with it. Come on now. Oh, you double bubbing. Okay. Yeah, I think I can get these two right here. Yeah, man. Yeah, you double bubbing him, man. Usually they courtesy stage. You don't know what courtesy stage? That means you gotta let one bub be on and wait on him. Yeah, you double bubbing. Oh, here he come though. Don't worry about it. Go on, get him. Yeah. Next time you know. Get him this time though. Capitalize on it. Let's see if he capitalized. Yeah, we're gonna see if he do it. Hell no. Oh, wait a minute. That thing coming. No, it ain't. I thought he was coming. He ain't coming. My cash app is Lookout Racing all together with the money sign in front of it. Okay, I'm ready. You can go right there. Hey, look out all my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all. Oh, my car. Damn. Where Ronnie at, man? I got 3 people move 1 car. We still fucked up. Damn. Oh, I need to put Diamond in there. I'm going to tell Diamond. Where Diamond at? Diamond! Oh, they moved it already. They already on it. Okay, they on it. Damn, this is good. I don't know, man. Let me figure out something. Let me talk to him. Look out. You on the nitrous? No. Motor. Okay, bet. Let me go over here and see what the hell going on over here, y'all. Hey, look out. You on the nitrous? Turbo? Oh, yeah. God damn. Hey, man. Let me go get this. I got 2 more 100 over here. I just told him, hey man, do your best. I'm gonna let Diamond in. Diamond, hey, you gotta be responsible for moving it up. It's only 1 car away. Okay, did a good burnout. We got D Stewart, Max, Jessica Davis. Hey y'all, I got a YouTube channel called. Hey, I'm bet with this Camaro, y'all. Anybody want to bet? I'm bet with the Camaro. Matter of fact, where BMW? That dude named BMW for life.
Hey, everything okay with your car?
Yeah. That motor sound good on her. Yeah, we finna make another pass.
It looks like
I wasn't driving.
I know. It looks like you wasn't expecting all that horsepower.
do than drive them.
I
On
keep
this
telling
one.
people, man, that third gear feeling is different.
Oh shit, wait a minute. I might not be. We got a leak. Out from the bit with a leaking mother.
That third gear feeling in your Caprice is different because it feels like it feels harder than the launch almost.
The third gear?
It feels so goddamn hard, man.
Yeah, that third
It
gear
really
be
does. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that or not,
Yeah.
but it fucking does, man.
Yeah, that third. He said that third gear pulled hard, y'all. I feel like he restarted the
scares
race.
me when I was riding with you. That was when I actually got a little whoa. I was
Yeah.
like, okay, it's still got all that shit.
Yeah.
I thought that part was done.
No, it's still pulling like it's barely
It's
taking
still
off.
hungry, man.
It's still hungry.
I thought I already ate the meal, man. He pulled out.
Uh-oh,
another
hey.
steak. We're done?
Get Tater to say he want to bet 100 on the Fox.
He said, back it up. It's leaking hard.
Oh, no, he ain't. He's still leaking. Damn, yeah, he left a puddle this time. Fuck. Damn, man.
Hook up to his nitrous right there.
Nah, that right there, that's the hookup to the, he got the laptop in there.
Oh, right.
And see, that's...
What would that laptop be hooked up to? Is that to
The
like
laptop
some type
hooked up
of
to the
vacuum?
computer, and then the computer, it's reading O2 sensors.
O2 sensors.
O2 sensors are like,
information.
O2 sensors is like a nose.
Yeah.
Yeah, and all it do is smell.
Right,
And
right,
what
right.
it's smelling for is richness or leanness.
Okay.
And then they tuning that, trying to get it right in the middle.
The O2
You got it?
sensor is what it's hooked up to.
Yeah. Yeah, it's smelling that. That wide
Somebody said,
band.
does your car have wheel hop?
Not really, nah. Nah, not if you just launch it. Not if you just launch it. Look out, look out. Let's go over here and see what they working with, y'all. Look at my people that's watching on TikTok. We also have a YouTube channel showing loud and clear, and it's on Lookout Racing on YouTube, guys. Come on over and you can get yourself a shout out. Yeah, I'm trying to, you next. Yeah, me, you, Diamond. Okay, all right, we're gonna run the Jeep, me, you, and Diamond. I be looking for you every time. This time we ain't, I'm right there, man.
Okay.
Diamond got the keys.
Okay.
Bet, you could already be ready. Let me see. Where y'all going at on this one? 5.0 Cruise over here in the right lane. He watched 1320. He might got something.